How to tie a tie. Prince Albert knot. Looking to level up your tie game with something a bit more refined and elegant? The Prince Albert knot is a stylish variation of the classic four-in-hand with an extra wrap for a thicker, more sophisticated look. It's ideal for formal events, business settings, or whenever you want to make a smart impression. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to tie the Prince Albert knot, a stylish, asymmetrical knot that's perfect for adding a bit of flair to your outfit while still maintaining a professional look. Step 1. Drape the tie around your neck with the wide end on your right side and the narrow end on your left side. The wide end should hang about 12 to 14 inches lower than the narrow end. Step 2. Take the wide end and cross it over the narrow end, forming an X near your collar. Step 3. Bring the wide end underneath the narrow end from left to right. Step 4. Take the wide end across the front from right to left. Step 5. Take the wide end under the narrow end and to the right. Step 6. Take the wide end across the front from to the left. Step 6. Take the wide end up through the neck loop from underneath. Step 7. Guide the wide end down through the loop you just created in the front. Step 8. Hold the narrow end while sliding the knot up toward your collar. Adjust the knot to ensure it sits symmetrical and snug. Done. The Prince Albert knot is perfect for a dapper look, ideal for business, formal events, or any occasion where you want to stand out just a little bit more. Ready to tie like royalty? Like this video if you're upgrading your knot style. Subscribe for more knot tutorials and men's fashion tips. Comment below, what's your favorite tie knot for formal events? Make every outfit look sharp. Tie it with class. Tie it Prince Albert style.